everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're doing great. I just popped on here quickly to share a quick Dollar Tree haul with all of you. Not a lot of exciting things, but the whole reason I decided to do the haul was because of this pattern here. If you watched my last Dollar Tree haul, I did pick up some dinnerware, and this is at least one of my favorite patterns for the winter Christmas season. And so I did find a couple new items in that print, and I wanted to share them with you. But everything else is just regular things that you can pick up at Dollar Tree. Maybe you don't have them at yours, but I needed them for a little gift that I'm putting together, and so I thought I'd share. So I'm gonna just jump right into this one. The first thing I picked up, which when I find Voortman's cookies at Dollar Tree, I like to get them because they are less expensive at the Dollar Tree than the grocery store. So this time around I came across the oatmeal raisin cookies, and I really like how they changed their packaging, and they have the reseal tab that you can pull. I did pick up 6 of these. There wasn't a whole lot there, so I decided to leave a few. But I hope to come around the chocolate chip cookies, but I do love the oatmeal raisin, and so I was happy to pick those up. I then picked up this little plushie, which I thought was super cute, a reindeer. I did get a few last year, which I thought were really nice as well. This one is a little bit bigger than the one from last year, and I thought I could add this to a reborn or to my reborning stash to keep. If I end up selling a doll, I could send this lovey along with it, or plush along with it. I picked up this bottle of Snapple peach tea. I really like it, and I saw it, so I grabbed it. Over in the beauty, before the beauty, I guess I'll go with this Reese's candy cane. Again, just to add to a little package that I'm putting together. Then over in the beauty, I picked up this Sassy and Chic electronic nail kit. I never saw it before until now, so I thought that was a fun little gadget to try. I picked up this lacquer glossy lip color by Style Essential, and the color is Wild Rose, so I'm excited to give that a try. I picked up these LA Colors Plump Gloss, and it says Instantly Plumps Lips, Tingling Sensation. So I got it in Careless C68088. I also got it in Madness C68090. And I got it in Call Me C68087. I picked up a couple of the LA Colors nail polishes. These are really cute. They come with a little nail file, and this color, I'm not going to be able to read it. Oh, it's Merlot C68591. Wow, I'm surprised I can see that. It's so tiny, but I thought that was really pretty, so I picked up 2. And then I picked up these U-Chalk chalk refill, recommended for children 6 years of age or older. Never saw these before, never tried them before, but I thought it'd be a fun little thing for my daughter to try, so I picked up a couple of those. I picked up this Dramatic Black Mascara by Ioni, Instant Volume and Thickness. Never tried this brand before, so I thought I would just give it a try. And then I picked up by Le Mercier, I don't know how to pronounce that, but I thought it was a really nice nude smoky shimmery eyeshadow with applicator. So I picked up a couple of those. And then to the items that I decided to do the video for. In this wonderful green, red, and white pattern, they have the dish drying mat. Excuse me. So I picked up that. I found the tea towels. So I picked up 4 of those. I had already picked up this tray, but I went ahead and picked up another one. And then they had the fabric placemats. Now, these were not the ones that I showed in my last video. These are more of a satiny feel. They still are very nice, and I am going to try and open the one end and stuff these to make little pillows, accent pillows. So I was happy to see these. I thought they would bring the other ones back, but this one is much closer to the actual pattern. It's the exact same. So I picked up 8 of those, but I did also see same placemat with just the end having this pattern, and then the sayings that I showed in the dishes. I'll post the pictures so that you can see what I'm talking about, which at first I had grabbed them and then I decided to just go with the pattern. And so I left those. But I was really excited to see some more items with this pattern. Let me know in the comments section, what is your favorite pattern? Do you like this one, or do you like the red and black buffalo check? Let me know. Well guys, as I said, this was a quick Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it just the same. I hope you're all doing well. If you enjoyed this little Dollar Tree haul, please click on the like button, share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now. Guys, I forgot to add this in because I did pick this up earlier on in the week and I forgot to add it in, so I want to add it in here. I did pick up these adorable candle holders. They are metal, and you can see that they come in 3 different sizes, so small, medium, and then the large. And then to go with it, I picked up these LED emergency candles. You get 2 with the little stand, but I did not use the stand, but they fit really nicely inside. And these I'm going to place in my bedroom on one of my shelves above my bed. I actually, before I saw these at Dollar Tree, had come across a Google picture that showed a mantle with candle holders that looked exactly like this. So as soon as I seen them at Dollar Tree, I knew that I had to grab them and then recreate that in my bedroom. So I'm so happy to have picked these up. Just to show you a little bit closer the detail on them, but they're really, really pretty. So I thought I'd add that to the haul.